Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today's episode, we're going to be going over what a stockbroker is, the top 3 stockbrokers in the States, Canada, and United Kingdom. If you're new here, please subscribe. Dropping 1 to 2 videos a week, and you can follow me on TikTok, Trading with MGD. Follow me on Instagram. Let's get into the video. Please drop a like on this comment. Like this video. Drop a comment. If you guys have questions, drop a comment down below. I'll try to answer them to the best of my knowledge. Now, we're going to be talking about stockbrokers. Some of you might not know what a stockbroker is. A broker is a professional trader who buys and sells shares on behalf of clients. The stockbroker may also be known as a registered representative or an investment advisor. Most stockbrokers work for a brokerage firm and handle transactions for a number of individual and institutional customers. They're often paid on a commission basis, although compensation methods vary by employer. Brokerage firms and broker dealers are also sometimes referred to as stockbrokers. This includes both full-service brokers and discount brokers who execute trades but do not offer individualized investing advice. Most online brokers are discount brokers, at least their basic levels of service, in which trades are executed for a fee or a small set price commission. Many online brokers now offer premium level services with higher fees. So, key takeaways: they buy and sell stocks for you, for the clients. Buy and sell orders are made through online discount brokers, so you can usually do it over the phone or through an app. It reduces fees. Wealthy individuals and institutions continue to use full-service brokers who offer advice and portfolio management services as well as completing transactions. So that being said, for example, if you go to your bank, and some banks will have an app, some won't, but if you were to go with your bank as a stockbroker, you would probably have to call them over the phone and say, hey, I want to buy 100 shares of Apple at this price and whatnot, and they would make the buy trade for you. They'd buy it for you. And there's also, if like most banks would have portfolio management services, and they can give you advice on trading stocks. Some people might know what they're talking about, some just kind of spew crap out of their mouth. But so to buy and sell, so we're going to get through understanding the role of what a stockbroker does. They buy and sell stocks through the access to the New York Stock Exchange or the NASDAQ. Those are two of the biggest exchanges on the market. So yeah, if you want to buy, if you're an individual investor and you want to buy stock shares directly from the company that issues them, it's easier to go through a stockbroker. We're gonna go over some brokerages. So we're gonna start with American companies first. So this one right here is TD Ameritrade. They've been given a 5-star rating. So you can open a new account right here. You can learn more. They got some platforms for you to work with. They got some apps, I'm assuming a desktop app, web app, and a mobile app. Well, why should we choose them? Well, let's see. They got free powerful trading tools, commission-free online trading, interactive courses and webcasts, wide selection of investment choices, objective third-party research, #1 overall broker on stockbrokers.com, dependable professional support, and here you can open an account. Let's just take a look at, see what kind of products you can trade with TD Ameritrade. And try and make this a bit of a quick video. I don't want to make it too long for you guys. You can open your account here. So $0 commissions on online stock, ETF, and options trades. So basically that means if you're to buy or sell stocks, ETFs, $0 commissions on those trades as well as options. But if you're buying an options contract, It is 65 cents per option contract. So these guys are pretty good. You can also buy Forex. That's pretty good. I didn't know that. Bonds and CDs. Cryptocurrency trading. There you go. So this is just one example of a stockbroker. Let's move on to the next one. TradeStation. This is also an American one. Being stocks, options, ETFs, futures, crypto, futures, IPOs. IPOs are up and coming stocks that hit the market. You can buy the shares before they hit the market to get an advantage. Mutual funds. Stocks, $0 per trade. Options, $0. Futures, $0. Low as per contract per side, per contract. Commission free for equities. Always read the fine print, guys. Why TradeStation? New traders or seasoned professionals can experience the full suite of powerful trading technology, online brokerage services, and trading education all under one roof. Platforms, products, customer service. You can learn various account types. Spend your time trading, not wondering what everything costs. Let's just look at the pricing real quick. I'm curious. So you got $0. When you go with a broker, you want to make sure they have $0 commission. Because if you're buying stocks and ETFs and they're charging you a commission, then when you buy and sell that stock, they're going to be taking a cut out of your profit when you go to sell that stock. Like, let's say you buy a stock $2 and you sell it at $4, well, they're going to get a small cut out of that profit, and you don't want that. You want $0 commission, which is really good to have. Free web trading app, free mobile app, free desktop app. That's really handy. Real-time market data. The only downside is the minimum deposit's $2,000 with TradeStation. TD Ameritrade, there isn't a minimum, I'm pretty sure. It's $0 minimum, I saw it somewhere. You want to also look at the minimum. Some will require a minimum to get up in trading. Let's just look at TD Ameritrade here really quick. Let's go to open account and see what it says actually. Open new account, here we go. Don't know if it'll say anything. So there's different account types. You can do an individual account, joint minor. You have a retirement, education or savings, business or trust, stuff like that. Where is it? I know the minimum's $0. I'm not too sure where they have that. Let's see here. There we can go. Here's the platforms, investment. Go to pricing maybe? Oh, funding and transfers. So deposit limits, this looks like it might be minimum $50, I don't know, but it's 5 minutes if you do if you set it up online. So if you're depositing with Express Funding, your deposit limit is $150K. Fund from your bank account, $250K from your bank. Put in your routing number and all that fun stuff. Use a check as well. I don't think, yeah, there is. There is no. Oh, this is a deposit limit. But I don't think there's a minimum deposit. I think you can put in any amount really. Put in $100 if you wanted to. Let's just look at the FAQ really quick. Here we go. There's no minimum to open a new account. However, a $2,000 deposit is required to be considered for margin and certain option privileges, regardless of any promotional offer. But just something to keep in mind if you want to open a margin account with TD Ameritrade, you need a $2,000 deposit. But otherwise, there's no minimum to opening an account. So this one, $2,000 as well. They do have a desktop app, web trading, mobile app, which is really good. Oh, they have simulated trading. Check that out. You can practice trading with them. So you can test your trading strategies before you actually trade. So practice strategies without risking your capital. So that's actually really good that they have that. Here's another one that I found for Americans. It's Fidelity. 0 minimum to open. Professionally managed, starting at $10. Monthly progress updates. See what kind of accounts. Account positions, trade after trader. What we offer. Let's see. What do they offer? So they got different investing plans, financial advisors. And you can use their tools to invest as well. Investment products. So they got ETF, stocks, fixed income bonds and CDs, options, mutual funds, retirements, RAs, Fidelity Advantage, planning and advice, trading, straightforward pricing. Look at the straightforward pricing. $0 commission, that's what you want. You want $0 commission and no minimum, ideally. $0 per trade for all ETFs. So that's really good. Account service fee, $0. Sometimes brokerages will charge you a service fee. These guys don't, which is really good. So it's all $0, except for if you're trading the Vanguard, it's $20 a year, 1,000 to 3,000 investor shares. It's literally $0 for ATM fees and all that, but it's different if you're trading Schwab or Vanguard. So those are 3 top American brokerages that you could go with if you're American. Don't go with Robinhood. There's been some bad things about Robinhood lately. I wouldn't recommend Robinhood. That's why I do not show you guys Robinhood. I'm personally not a fan after the stuff that I heard go down. Now we're going to go over 3 Canadian brokerages. This one I really love, Questrade. They're amazing. Super easy. They have a mobile app, and I believe they have a desktop app as well. No opening or closing fees, no annual TFSA fees. Buy ETFs, commission free. It's free to transfer your account. Low management fees. Money saved is compound in returns. The only drawback with Questrade is if you're going to open an account, you need a minimum of $1,000 to get trading. And you will need to sign some papers as well and give them your ID and stuff like that. Just the basics. Let's see, it says it here somewhere. Let's go to why Questrade. Why should we go with Questrade, Invest on your own time. It's great for new investors. Lower fees for better returns. You're protected and secure. Additional $10 million private insurance. That's really good. What else are they? Easily move your investments. So if you have, like, let's say a margin account and a TFSA account, you can move the money over. Servicing agents ready to help. Their support is really good. I've had to call support a couple times. Really good. Sometimes you gotta wait on the phone for a little while, but they're busy people. You gotta understand that. So the stocks are 1 cent a share. So it's $5 minimum to $10. So if you're buying stocks with Questrade, they will charge you a commission for the stocks. But if you're buying and selling ETFs, it's $0 commission, which is amazing. So if you're gonna go with Questrade, I highly recommend only trading ETFs. You can trade stocks, but just keep in mind you will be charged on it, right? And they also have some pre-built portfolios. Help you achieve your financial goals faster. Might actually look into that. But this is 1 out of 3 for Canadians to use. They're really good. I love them. Here's another one I recently found. There's been ads all over the place for these guys. This is my first time actually going on their website, so let's see what they're about. Wealthsimple, how it works. ETFs are really good. Balanced. Look at that. Create money on auto deposits. Dividend reinvesting. Automatic rebalancing. Easy access. So they have different account types. So you got your RRSP, TFSA, personal, RESP, RIF, LIRA, joint, business. Personally, if you're going with Questrade or Wealthsimple or anything like that, I highly recommend just going straight with the TFSA. If you're a single individual, that is, because any money that you make, you don't get taxed on your gains, which is nice. So let's say you make $1 million, every single penny of that is yours, tax-free. So definitely recommend making a tax-free savings account. Any gains you don't get taxed on, which is really nice. Let's see, so you can trade crypto with them. Commission free. Commission free is always nice to see. What's that? What happened here? Let's reload the page. I don't know what's going on here, guys. Have to reload the site here. Okay, well, we're going to move on to the next one. I don't have time to wait for that. Here's another one for Canadians to check out. ScotiaTrade. So they have practice accounts. That's pretty cool. Risk free, so you can practice your skills without risking real money. High-powered trading platforms. Manage investments on your own terms. Invest in yourself. Achieve your investment goals. Let's check out their fees. Commissions and fees. Check it out. So if you're trading stocks with them, 150 plus trades per quarter will be $4.99. If you're doing options, $4.99 plus $1.25 per contract. Less than 150 trades, you're paying $10 per equity. Let's check out mutual funds. Placed online, 0. Placed by telephone, 65. So if you're calling them and you want to make a mutual fund, $65 right over the phone. So fixed income, securities, $1 per 1,000 face value. Exchange traded debentures, $1 per 1,000. What's their interest rates? 0.25. Prime rates 2.45. 25K. These are your margins. Wonder what their minimum is. Look at the frequently asked questions. I don't know what's going on with this Wealthsimple. Kinda dumb. Your clients. Online. In person. Visit. Their head office is in Toronto, Ontario. So if you're in Toronto, hit them up. Type in minimum deposit. So you receive temporary approval once you open an account. Start trading as early as the next business day. You have 2 weeks to mail us the documentation required to complete the account approval process. However, approval of RESP accounts and some non-personal accounts may take longer, as we only have paper-based applications for these type of accounts. You can transfer funds. So what's the best way to do it? Easy trade in the other form. So you actually can do short selling with these guys. You can't do short selling with Questrade. I'm not too sure about Wealthsimple. Oh, here we go. Minimum balance. No minimum balance required to open an account at ScotiaTrade. However, to avoid being charged at a low activity account, administration fee, we encourage you to deposit minimum balance of at least 10,000. Holy shit. Otherwise, there is a fee charged for clients with aggregate account equity less than 10,000 who do not generate at least one commissionable trade per quarter. So you can, there's no minimum, but they recommend 10 grand. So if you're balling, just drop 10 grand. So we're gonna move on to United Kingdom brokerages. There's this XM. So they got forex trading, commodities, precious metals, energies. These guys are pretty good. Tight spreads, no recruits, trades the most liquid. This is for forex anyway. They got lots to offer. Let's check out their stocks. Instant access to global economies, cost effective. Direct access to global equity markets, speculation on market uptrends, downtrends, going short, long, according to market moves. No extra fees apply. Wonder if there's a minimum for their stocks. Let's see. Let's find out. Trading platforms, promotions about us. Trading account types. So you got micro accounts, standard accounts, and X and zero accounts. So if you want to do a micro account or standard, it's minimum deposit is $5. Minimum deposit for X and zero account is 100. These guys mostly do forex though. If you can trade, they're more of a forex broker. I'll get into forex in another video. It's basically just trading of currency. So like the Canadian to US dollar, or the US to British dollar, GBP to the US dollar. Looks like you can trade stocks with them, but they're mostly known for their forex. That's why the minimum is so low, and you're seeing words like pips and lots. Those are forex terms. Here's another one's forex, but they do have stocks as well. It looks like stocks, DMA, ETFs. It's called hot forex. You can trade forex, metals, energies, indices, shares, commodities, cryptocurrencies. Let's see. Let's check out their deposit options. Bank transfers, minimum deposit is $100. Visas is $5. Alternatives $5 for fast pay. Netto is $5. Krill is $10. Load is $10. Web money is $5. BitPay is $5 and $100 with cryptocurrency. It looks like. So that's that. Is there a minimum for withdrawals? $50. 5555. These guys are kind of known for their forex as well. There are a few different account types, and they got some. Yeah, these guys are mostly known for their forex. A lot of people out in the United Kingdom mostly just trade forex, really. That's why there's a lot of brokerages like that. We're going to move on to the next one. You can access this one in United Kingdom. They do trade stocks and ETFs, 0% commission, cryptocurrencies, CFD trading. These guys are called Etoro. 0 commission. It's really good. Trade stocks and ETFs. So you can actually connect with other traders, discuss trading strategies, use their patented copy trader technology to automatically copy their portfolio performance. So you could literally do exactly what these guys are doing and have the exact same gains that these guys are doing. So it'd be super easy to make money. I highly recommend this if you're in the United Kingdom and you want to start investing. Go with Etoro and never look back. See what this guy said. Etoro's popular investor program recognizes talented, savvy, responsible traders who share their knowledge. Our top tier popular investors earn up to 2% annually on their assets under management. So there you have it. Fantastic trading platform, both from an easy of use and technical perspective. 5 stars, 5 stars, 5 stars, 4 stars. Everyone loves Etoro. Over 140 countries. For some reason you can't use this in Canada. Maybe you can use Etoro in the States. I'm not too sure. They are regulated. They're protected. They won't share your data. See what Financial Times said about them. The best returns occur when investors are plugged into diverse social groups that enable them to collide with information from multiple networks. Social media world, as in real life, pays to hover on the edge of clicks, but not get slavishly sucked into just one. So there you have it. That's Etoro. 0% commission. You can literally copy other people's portfolios. I'm not too sure what the minimum would be. Just check out the fees really quick. So there's a small fee of $5 when you're withdrawing, but that's nothing. No commission. So if you're buying Apple stocks, no commission, boys. But you will get charged. So there's overnight fees, I guess. It looks like for your ETF stocks, indices, CFD positions. So your overnight fees are calculated fee times the amount of units. I don't think there's a minimum. Doesn't say anything. But I definitely recommend them. Really good. You can literally just copy what other people are doing. So thanks for watching this video, guys. I know it was a little bit longer than anticipated, but I want to go over the top 3 in each country so that you guys have a good broad perspective on different brokerages and ones that I recommended. You can maybe choose one and go with it. Start trading stocks. We will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you're new. Drop a like on this video. Also, drop a comment if you have a question. Drop a comment. I'm replying to all the comments. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one.